To my today's channel video. Today we're gonna play Minecraft Files. Or I'm not that beta games. Let's go. Let's play about the Pillars of Fortune. Okay, let's go. Oh, we are at the end. Johnny, if you're watching this, and Dazzy, here's my game tag. It's Daniel MC99. So, and guys, if you want to add me and play with me, make sure to diamond. Write the game tag on yours. No, the destroyer. Guys, you can add me after the video. So, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Quick. Go. Nah. Come on, man. The waiter just end the game. Okay. That's okay. We can still... Wait. Who's closer than me? I had the fish. Nah, she's more closer than me, so it's better to hunt this girl. What the freak? What does not stop lagging? Not even close, baby. Ken Daniel always dies. Nah. I wish I had a Optifine. Ooh, a villager. I love villagers. Then I hate pillagers. What? Oh, geez. Bro, a comparator. But sorry, I don't need it. Wait. Genius. I'm a smart guy. Oh no, I heard a warden. Right. Oh. Just spoke to it. Wait, what the oh, that was so close. We're close to... Bro. Will you marry me? I'm kidding. What the... Bro, can't reach. Ha 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 ha. Silly boy. Blood forgot. I am a zombie. A zombie bot. Wait. Oh, a villager. But sorry, I'm not at a good condition now. I am at... Wait, a guardian. Oh no. Wait, a village friend. You making me mad. You die. You die, idiot. No! Gigamad, 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 Gigamad. Bro, wait. I am... Bro. Chef Lara. You again. Fine. Let's go. Wait, a zombie one. Let's eat the zombie. Bro, how stupid is that? When a zombie eats a zombie. Ooh, lava bucket. Bro, melt with no time. Ha, not even close, baby. Candy never dies. Technoblade never dies. Wait, what is that? Oh, waiter. No, I don't wanna make. I don't know. No. How dumb is that? Bro gave me... Nowhere to hide. What the? I'm done. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.